Crazy Journeys with Didi. Crazy Journeys with Didi.
It was so cool hanging in Duluth, Minnesota at my sister Carrie's. Had a lot of fun. She made this really cool sweater coat. Check it out. Isn't it so cute? And we went to Great Lakes Candy Kitchen, took a boat ride on the Vista Star, and just had so much fun hanging out. And later in the video, you're going to find out something really cool about my niece, Jen.
That's your language. You like to do your birdie language. You don't know the rest of me. Yeah. Your birdie language is pretty fun.
I like when he dips the head. Doesn't it sound like computer
That sounds like E.T.
Right, E.T. This is so cool about my niece, Jen. She is on the Harbor City Roller Derby team, and she goes by the name Cupcake Chaos. Say that 5 times in a row. Cupcake Chaos, Cupcake Chaos, cup. Okay, see, I can't get through 5 times in a row. Can you? Let me know in the comments below. And we also had some fun with Spencer the bird.
Hi.
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 Good morning.
Good morning, Spencer. Good morning.
Oh, yeah. That bird is crazy. Spencer, I think he was channeling Linda Blair. Yeah. What do you think of Spencer? Let me know in the comments below.
Crazy Journeys with Didi. Crazy Journeys with Didi.